Today I'm going to talk to you about our system for having a collaborative network of distributing cameras for object tracking. I'll jump straight into it. So there are numerous solutions out there that can do tracking. What makes our solution different from what's already out there? Well, there are two reasons for that. First, we're spatial. That means that we not only detect things in the individual camera views, we also geolocate them. We know their heading, we know their speeds, and we know their sizes. Secondly, as far as I'm aware, we are the only solution on the market that has situational awareness across multiple cameras. That means that we can track objects from one camera to the next, to the next, to the next, and we can do so seamlessly, meaning that we don't have double trajectories for objects that appear in multiple views at the same time, and we don't drop trajectories as objects move from one camera to the next. What you're seeing here are 8 cameras deployed in a major downtown intersection in Toronto. In the middle, you can see a consolidated top view of everything that is going on in space. So we have a digital twin of this space. Now, these cameras were installed specifically for this project. However, a couple of months ago, we did a project with New York Penn Station, which is a train station. And there we had already deployed cameras, already existing cameras. We used those to be able to provide insights about how people were moving in the space, where they exited, where they entered, and anything that happened in between. So this system, it runs in real time, and it runs on the edge. So now I'm going to try to explain to you how we made this happen, and hopefully you find it insightful.